I've got my body weight scale here. This was gifted to me, so I can go ahead and show you the features. And it does have quite a few. Right away, you'll see it's nice and large here. It's 14 inches. This is tempered glass. You can see here how thick it is. It's 8 millimeters, which is about 1/3 of an inch. So it's really good and thick. And this has a weight limit of 550 pounds. It's got a nice, large, easy to read screen right here. And what I like about it, on the back side of this is our unit measurement. So I'm going to flip it back over and show you. So we can do pounds, kilograms, and even stone. I haven't seen that. Now they use that, of course we don't use it in the US, but we do use it. It's over in Europe, which is pretty cool to see that. And then it also has another feature which allows you to measure, it's called a baby or pet mode. So with the baby or pet mode, what we're gonna do, we can stand on this, get off of it, pick up whatever item, whether it's a baby, pet, luggage, things like that, weigh it again, and then it's gonna figure out the difference between the two and give you the total weight. Enter the baby pet mode. We're gonna go back to the unit. We're gonna hold that down for 4 seconds. And then what's gonna happen, we're gonna have this little symbol pop up, which looks like a baby. I'll set it on the ground. I'm gonna let it zero out. I'm gonna stand on it. It's gonna get my weight, then blink. That means I can go ahead and get off of it, pick up whatever I want to weigh. I'm gonna pick up my luggage, because when I go to the airlines, I wanna make sure I'm not over the limit. Now it's at 220. I get off of it, and then it should pop up with the difference, which is 19.8 pounds. So that worked very, very easily. A couple of things I didn't mention here on the back is that it does come with batteries. So we got 4 AAA batteries. And then you can see here, this is recessed just a little bit. That allows you to pick it up easily and hold on to it. I like the display, the color with the black and the gold. It's just easy to read. And with the baby mode, it makes it pretty cool. Real happy with it. And I hope you found this review helpful.